Alright, so we're going to be changing the rear brake pads on a 2002 Lexus LS430. Hopefully, it won't take too long. First, you're just going to jack up the car, get the tire off. Next, we're just going to take this cotter pin out and then push this pin out that way. Now you're just going to slide these out. Don't look that bad, I don't think. Yourself a 19mm. Take the caliper off. Alright, get yourself a 19mm ratchet, take these two bolts out. Okay, once you get that out, you just want to push back these two pistons with a C-clamp, like so. On the inside portion here, there's a little black cover. Just be sure you don't squeeze that too hard. Okay, once that's pushed back, put these two screws back in, these two bolts, excuse me. I'm gonna take this brake lubricant, put it on the outside of the pad like so. Just a little. The outside of the pad. There's one. And there's two. I didn't tighten these down because I wanted to make sure I got the pistons all the way out, but it looks like I missed this one just a little bit. Once that's done, you're just gonna get this bracket back, push the pin back where it was, push this bracket in just a little bit with your gloves. And then your cotter pin goes back in like so, and that's it. Brake pad change done on a Lexus 2002 LS430. One side done anyway. All right, first just take the cotter pin out like you did before. Take a screwdriver. While you're pushing on this, take a screwdriver to push the pin out. takes the bracket off, take the pin, and this is the brake wear sensor. If your light's not on, you don't need a new one. My light's not on, so I don't need a new one. Slide out one brake pad. Just pop this brake wear sensor pin, or brake wear sensor, excuse me. Back on the brake pad there. Alright, well. Got our pin back in, and that's it. It's supposed to be that easy. All right, after your brake job, next what you're gonna wanna do is pump your brakes for a while. They're gonna feel a little squishy, but just keep pumping them until they get tight. And as long as you didn't open up any of the brake lines, they should come right back to normal. So that's it, guys. Pretty easy job to do a brake job on a 2002 Lexus LS430. If you like it, give me a like. And I got a couple other videos all about the just random maintenance on a Lexus 2002 LS430. Take care.